Oh, shoot. Hey. Shit. God damn. He's still there. He's still there. Yeah. Yeah. Bar surf perch. I'm keeping. I don't care. Oh, yep. Size of my hand. I'm keeping today. Yes, indeed. Yep. Beautiful fish. Beautiful eyes. Oh, yeah. He's angry. There we go. Yeah. 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 Oh, he got away. He got away. Oh, they're still there. He's just swimming fast. Ah, keep up. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up. Got him. Yeah. Fatty. Got a fatty. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Woo. Eater. It's an eater size right here. Woo. Woo. You guys, for the surf tournament in October, you guys better watch out. Woo. Yeah, this one in the bag. Either size. There we go. Woo. Fish. Sir.
Oh, it's flopping.
Yep.
Oh.
You want to hold it? There you go.
It caught onto the sand crab.
Yep. Do you fish?
Whoa. Yep.
Slimy, huh?
Whoa. Its last things are really sharp.
Oh yeah, be very careful. Careful for this wave. Wave's coming.
The fish foot, if you put it back in the water, it might start swimming again.
Yeah. Oh, it got away.
It went away.
Yep. It unhooked itself.
Let's see if we can catch another fish that's different from the other
Yeah, we'll see. We'll have to see, huh?
Let's see if you can catch a shark.
Oh, I don't want to catch a shark. They got.
If it's really pulling, that means you caught a shark. If you caught a great white, that means you're gonna get bitten.
I don't want to get bitten. That's why I don't want to catch one.
If you throw it too far, you'll catch one.
Yeah. Thankfully, I can't throw it far, so it works out for me.
Can you catch another sand crab so we can find another fish?
Oh, awesome! Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Woo! Woo-hoo! Woo! Keep going, keep going. Oh, nice, dude. It might be a big one. I think it's a shark. Keep going. Bring it in. Woo! Keep going. Woo! Keep going. Keep going. Yo! That's a big one. Hey, go over there with your mom.
It's a big one.
Show your mom, show your mom. That one's bigger than the last one. Dude, that put up a fight.
Feel how heavy it is.
Oh.
Wow, what the? It's a swimming fish, kind of, but
Oh shit.
it has scales.
Yeah.
It's like it's reflecting almost like it's... Oh man, this one's huge.
Swallowed the hook, dude.
Oh, what the heck?
That fish wasn't going nowhere. Yeah. Dude, that's a big fish. I almost thought you had a shark on.
That just walks in my eye.
You want to hold it?
Sure. It weighs as much like... It's kind of slimy.
It is? Oh my gosh.
It's okay. It's just a fish. Fishes don't bite.
Okay, you pick it up.
It's too easy. It's a big fish.
Hold it out. Oh my gosh. Can you hold it by the string? Kyle?
Careful. Careful for the string. Oh yeah.
It's a big fish.
Wow, that's really big. That's bigger than your last one.
Oh, it does. Oh, it looks like it's spreading blood.
Yeah.
Oh, it's bloody. Bro, that one's literally bloody.
Yeah.
That one's bloody. That fish is bloody. That one's bloody. Whoa, this fish is huge. Look at his tail. What kind of fish is this?
Yellow Finn Kroger.
Is it okay? Is the fish okay?
Should be.
Are you gonna do the medicine kit for that fish?
Am I gonna what?
Are you gonna use that medicine kit for the fish? Because the fish is kind of like tight out here because it doesn't have any water.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it home and eat it.
No!
It's not gonna survive anyways.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not, because you hooked it in his gut. And his gut is bleeding. Just have to rinse it off.
We're gonna put a new hook on it so we can catch more fishes.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I wish I had a fish.
Yeah? So you can go fishing? I got this from Amazon.
You mean the Amazon rainforest?
No, the Amazon website. Actually, I need to go back in here. Or actually, what time is it? Stink.
Are you gonna put some fish in ice and then you're gonna come back to the beach and play with me to get more fish?
Yeah, most likely.
We're staying here for a lot more hours.
Cool. All day? Oh, I gotta rinse this. You dropped it in the sand, now it's stuck.
Can I catch some fish
Yeah.
while you're gone?
Yeah. You just gotta be careful for people around you, okay?
Okay.
Hold on, I gotta rinse it off because there's sand stuck inside of it. No, there's no hook on there. Whoa. Can I trust you though, that you won't hook anybody?
No.
I can't trust you, or I can?
You can trust me.
I could?
We're ready to go.
Huh?
They're all rested up. We're ready to go. I hope I catch a huge one.
I gotta tie this hook on first. Yeah, the fish swallowed the hook basically. So I'll have to get it back later.
It's gone because the fish is. You have to cut it up to get the fish. Get out. So
Alright, I got one.
that's the sand crabs.
Yep.
The sand crabs. What happens if sand crabs got catched on a thing? What happens if sand crabs get catched on those? Do they die? Do they die if they get hooked?
Yeah, eventually.
Or I don't die until 13 minutes?
But you know what? They'll die anyways because fish eat sand crabs.
Yeah, I know, but
So-
they can't dig for them. They have to fight for them. For fishermen to let.
Remember, watch your surroundings. And don't throw it if there's somebody in front of you inside the water. Dude, already? Dude, you're on fire, dude! Dude! Right on, dude! Sheesh! Sheesh! Dude! Heck yeah, bro! Yeah, keep going, you're good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Sorry, we'll try again. Is the sand crab still on there? Oh yeah.